today Sheba and I would like to do an unboxing. Oh. Just stay here, little child. Little furry child of mine. So, I'm very excited about this package. On the back it says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." This is the same dude who sent me all of these. Kladis3D printing. He had a 3-stack. He was selling it for like $44 or something on his Etsy, and he asked me if I wanted to review it. I'm like, yes. You know that video that I made yesterday of Kyle's? He watched it with his son, and his son was like, "Why does that weird lady curse so much?" Sheba. I forget little kids watch my stuff sometimes. So this is the 3-stack. But there have been times when I'm like, I need to stop cursing so much. And then people are like, "No, don't be not cursing. I'm here for the cursing." She just fell. Sheba. Excited about this. Thank you, Kladis, dude. Okay. Wow. Oh, I think he sent me a couple of things. He sent me this stuff for free, I'm gonna say. But he wanted me to review it. But he knows I have honest reviews. Also, I have spent a little bit more time with this stuff, so I have a little bit more perspective. So. What? Oh, he sent a little blacklight thing. So some of this stuff is a glow in the dark. Oh shit. This is a small version. Oh, look, made in Texas. Kladis3Dstudios. Okay, I have been playing with this one a lot. Look, he sent a small version. Oh yeah, this is one of the ones that I had to put some slide tape on. Oh, it's pretty snappy. Actually pretty nice. This one I put slide tape on. It's changed the sound a little bit too. But I actually really liked, okay, check out the design on there. Can you see it? There it is. It's like little cuts. Very nice, actually. I like the size of this one a lot, actually. A lot. I also like the inside. Pretty good. Okay. What is this? Sheba, what do you think? Here, you can hold that. Okay. Wow. Is this the same one? It's a little bit of a lighter color. Ooh. Oh, it feels different. I will say right off the bat, I feel like I need slide tape on there. It's just, it's a little hard to move. Look at that. Almost looks like water. This is where I peeled my freaking finger. So the little one, oh shoot, oh my god. I like the little, I have to say, I like the size of the little one immensely. Look at the different colors. This one's like an aqua. Are they the same thickness? This one looks like it's a little thicker than this other one. Actually, it looks bigger in every way than this one. Okay. And then there's the 3-stack. Looks like there's some kind of a powder in here. Maybe to make the journey safe. Hopefully he's not trying to kill me. Okay. Ooh. I like the colors that he is. Oh, you can see this one is it's see-through. Okay, here. I can tell already he's put slide tape on this one. Oh, he's put slide tape on all of them. So. Oh, yes. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Wow. This is probably the best thing that I have felt from him. Actually. Bravo, dude. A really nice 3-stack that actually works. Holy shit. Damn. Wow. I was skeptical. Sheba? Sheba's just happy to be here. Look at that face. Gosh. This is awesome. Look at that. Look at that action. I'm gonna have to turn it around so you guys can get a better look. Sheba, look how beautiful you are. Okay, so I wanted you guys to get a better look at these sliders he sent. So he sent 3 sliders. He's got the 3-stack, this aqua one, and then this green one. Oh, Sheba. Ow! Damn, that has some strong ass magnets. I'm at an awkward angle, so that's why I'm having a little bit of a trouble showing you. See, there's like crisscross pattern in here. So the one he originally sent was this one. Almost looks like a snake. Here's the new one. And then here's the other one. So I put on the slide tape here, which made it really nice. This one does not have slide tape. I feel like it really needs it. I mean, it's beautiful looking, but it needs slide tape for sure. I love the design though. This one is so small. I'm not sure if you, I mean, it would be nice to have a little bit of slide tape, but it's so small and fits so good in your hand that I don't even know if it needs it. And then so size comparison, God, it's like at least double the size. Wow, look at that. So this has slide tape already applied right here, here, and here, which is awesome. Feels amazing, actually. Gosh, they're just perfect, dude. This is amazing. Wow. Look at that. Oh. Okay, so I have spent some time with all of these. Oh, you know what, before I even talk about that, let me show you guys this thing, this blacklight thing. I'm thinking that something he sent glows in the dark. Probably this one, maybe? I should probably shut my light off. Oh, it's the, oh, bro. Brrr, it's the green one. Look at it. Oh, that is cool. What? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have to charge this sumbitch and really shut off the light. Oh, yeah. God, that's nice. All right, let me finish talking about the products and then I'll charge it up and shut the light. That's cool. Okay, so after spending time with these, I've got to say, Sheba's not impressed. Okay, I've got to say that I do have some favorites and some that I don't particularly love. Look at that beautiful face, God. Okay, this guy right here. I love the look of it. I love the yellow and the, how it's kind of like, it's opaque, but it's kind of translucent a little bit. But the actual playability of it, it's not really there. Plus, it's got some sharp points on there. But I talked to the dude and he said that he was going to take care of that. It's that he just has really rough hands. Like right now, I'm touching this right here. I mean, it's okay. Would I buy this? I don't think so. It's cool looking, but I don't. See right here, I just scraped my finger on this thing right here. I don't think that I would recommend this right now in its current state. I'd say finish it a little bit more and maybe make them a little smaller or make more of them, like maybe a 4-pack or thinner. They're just a little hard to play with right now. Okay. So then this guy right here feels really good. It's got that rattle sound. It slides nice, except this design right here hurts. I don't want to use it because of that. It just juts out and has a lot of sharp edges. The sound is good though, and it slides great. So maybe if I wasn't such a wimp, but it's just it hurts a little bit, but it actually is a really good slider. So if you have, you know, nice and coarse hands, you'd be good. Okay. This does not have any sharp points or anything, and it feels nice, but I kind of wish the magnets were just a little stronger like the other one, then it would be perfect. It's just like half the strength. I like the design though, it feels good in the hand. So, this right here is one of my favorite fidgets. I love it. Highly recommend. I love the feel of it. I like the look of it. I love the sound of it. I just love it. This is great. Highly recommend. This one, I didn't think I would like, but I love it. It's one of my go-tos. I just love bringing it all the way up, just snapping it all down. Also, sometimes you can get it to ladder, which is pretty cool. Sometimes you can get it to flip around pretty nice. I wish the edges right here weren't so sharp, but I like this fidget so much that I use it anyway. So this is part of my permanent collection. I love it. Very nice. Okay, so this right off the bat, I freaking love, dude. This thing is awesome. I love it. It's probably the best 3-stack I've ever seen. So great job. No hot spots. Slide plates are great. Sounds nice. Feels good. Looks nice. Home run. Love it. Love it. This is pretty good with the slide plate covered with the slide tape. Sorry. And then this one, it looks really nice, but it doesn't slide well at all. It's really hard to slide, so I need some kind of tape on here. He said that the reason why some of them don't ladder so well is because of the magnet strength. So I'm gonna apply some slide tape and I'll come back to you guys to see if it's any better. This I have put slide tape on and it operates very nicely. So, and then this one, glows in the dark. This I also think could benefit from a little bit of slide tape, but I just absolutely love the size of it. I think it's perfect. I think it's great. So I think I'm going to charge it up and shut off the lights, Sheba. All right, Sheba, you ready? So this is as dark as I can get it right now, but all right, let's see if I can get it all. God, look at that. It's almost like you're painting it. I love it. I need to get my flashlight out that's like really high. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so I just kind of wanted to do a little wrap up. The fidgets, my favorite ones so far from Kladis. Sheba. Oh my God, my favorite ones from Kladis. Okay, Sheba, yes, I love you. Is the donut, the long stick one, the 3-stack, and then this little glow-in-the-dark one. Although I've got to put slide tape on there. So these are my favorites. These, I've already been using these two every day. But, wow. I love it. Chibi. Alright, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And thank you, Kladis, for this awesome thing. Ah.